Hi, I'm Ben Brody, Director of Employee and Customer Relations. This video is the first in a series of videos that describe ASC support capabilities. We created this series to give our customers specific information about how to keep their autoclaves and ovens running efficiently long after their purchase. This video will give a broad overview of all ASC support options. After you're done, you can click on any other video in the series to learn more about that topic. Let's begin by talking about what services we provide. We are experts in troubleshooting and repair of composite processing equipment, which include autoclaves, ovens, and presses. Our expertise covers mechanical and electrical systems, PLCs, controllers, and software. We have service technicians based in the US, UK, and China, which gives us the ability to respond anywhere in the world. And with over 30 years industry experience, it doesn't matter who built it or when it was built. We work on all systems. Though, it's always best to plan ahead and prevent equipment from going down in the first place. That's why we offer full-service preventative maintenance. Each program is custom designed to match the usage hours of your equipment and avoid unnecessary visits. We'll track when the PM needs to be scheduled, what parts need to be replaced or recalibrated, and coordinate it with you to minimize production downtime. If your equipment is no longer running as efficiently as it used to, we can retrofit individual systems to restore functionality and save you the replacement cost of the entire machine. We also stock thousands of parts ready to be shipped the same day they are ordered. If you need to ensure accurate readings and certified data acquisition, we can help with that as well. Our service technicians are trained to calibrate and certify all types of composite processing equipment. Next, we provide training on autoclaves, ovens, and CPC control systems. Training classes are tailored to the student's level of understanding and job function. So, if you have new operators, they can take a class to learn about autoclave basics and CPC. Or, if you have experienced CPC users, they can take a class to learn advanced programming skills. We also offer classes on service, maintenance, and troubleshooting for technicians and engineers. Any or all of the services we offer can be bundled in a support package, which saves money on buying the services individually. We offer 3 levels, bronze, silver, and gold, though all packages include unlimited phone, email, and remote PC support. And that's a brief overview of our support capabilities. The other videos in this series will give you more details on each service. If you are interested in a service or would like to know more about it, give us a call or an email and we'll be happy to help. We look forward to working with you.